This is MEOW-9 coming at you live. I almost knocked this story off the table. But here we go. First up on the scratching post. The Vercel breach. OAuth attack exposes risk in platform environment variables. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. Meow. If I still had 9 lives. This next story would take at least 2 of them. Britannica11.org, a structured edition of the 1911 Encyclopædia Britannica. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. Okay, this next story made my tail puff up. OpenAI Livestream. Purring intensifies. This is either genius or chaos. Probably both. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even for a cat with a 3-second attention span. Cal.diy. Open source community edition of Cal.com. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. Slay? More like spray. Like a cat. Moving on. And trust me, this is not a laser pointer distraction. This is giving chaos energy. Framework Laptop 13 Pro. Even my laser pointer has more direction than this. And that's the news. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe faster than a cat chasing a red dot. Bye bye.